In today's world, emergencies and distress situations can strike anywhere, anytime, completely unnoticed. So what does someone needs to do in situations like this? They need the information to be pushed to the rescue teams. They need help to be made available to them in real time. They need information of the incident to be pushed to the relevant authorities. And mind you, you have an extremely little time to react to these horrendous situations. What is the answer? MSOS is just the right remedy to all these situations. Let's talk what really is MSOS. MSOS is a mobile application that enables you to use your mobile device in these distress situations to help you to push all this information to the relevant people, to the relevant authorities in real time. I have two devices here, and both the devices have been configured with two different applications. One is used to send the current geographic location, whereas the other could be with my wife, could be with my doctor. So all I need to do is just press one particular key, which is key number 5 on the mobile phone. Once the key is pressed, the application gets invoked on the background automatically. It would then capture the current latitude and longitude using the onboard GPS. It would also capture what is the template of SMS that I need to push, and all this data gets sent wirelessly as a packet to a number of people which is defined as my contact list on my items. The recipient could be my family member, could be my doctor, who receives my alert on his mobile phone in a form of a map-based geographical information locator. What it does is it invokes a Google map on my device with pinpointing my current latitude and longitude along with the message which was selected by the sender. Applications of MSOS are enormous. It could be right from community-based applications, it could be applications in typical security-based alerting mechanisms. I have a mobile phone here which would be used by the sender to capture the geographical information as well as select the pre-formatted message. Let's go and first configure this particular application for the number that we want to push all this data to. I'll go into menu, I'll select the application. I have selected the utility. It would first let me pre-format my message. So I have set a message as I am in trouble, please help me as soon as possible. Now it lets me select the relevant contacts from my contact list to whom the MSOS needs to send all this information as well as messages. What I would need to do is just hold the key number 5 and the application on the background gets automatically invoked. Now what it does is on the background the application has already captured the latitude as well as longitude. It has selected the pre-formatted SMS template that we had selected. It has also found out as to whom this data needs to be pushed to, and it would push all this packet to the relevant mobile phone. The moment this information hits that particular mobile device, an application which is installed on the recipient's mobile phone gets automatically invoked. Bingo, we have an alert on recipient mobile phone. It is asking me to start my SOS application. I've just got a message, I am in trouble, please help me as soon as possible. I can go into map view and it would then show me my current location using the latitude and longitude which were captured from the center's mobile number.